So you've got some data here and you want to use some Sumifs to summarize it. So the first thing you have to do is set up what your parameters are. So quarter, half, whole along the top, London and the cities along the side. All you have to do then is sum ifs, and then the sum range is the quantity. And you want to lock it as well. And then the criteria range 1 is going to be the size, and then the criteria is going to be this. We want to lock that on the 4. And then the criteria range 2 is this, and we want to lock that too. And then we want to, the criteria 2 is going to be the city. We want to lock that on the E, so we're going to lock that on the E. And then all you have to do is close brackets. Make sure you've locked everything, otherwise when you drag it, it won't work. Press enter, and then we can drag it this way, and then we can drag it down for a total of 141 chickens, whereas this also is 141. Easy as that. The other way is a pivot table. Follow for more tips. Peace.